bit.
Headed to the all black, or not all black, but the black Tulum barbecue. Back to Tulum, which is like an hour away from Playa Del Carmen where we stand, and go to our after party, but definitely not feeling like it tonight. So we came to a local restaurant on 5th Street that's really close to where we stand in Playa Del Carmen. So it's a nice little vibe. They're still partying out here.
Well, so far, this trip's been pretty dope, you know. And I'm speaking kind of early, but it's only day 2.
It's only day 2. What you got for me tonight?
A tutti frutti. A big old booty. Can I kiss your tutti frutti? Hey, I got a little Italian for you. I spoke Italian.
You just Spanish together before you try to get
I speak Spanish. Hey, lickety you up and down, Espanol. Like that, no.
Nah, keep on saying thank you around here.
Huh?
Because you keep saying thank you.
I mean, I can say gracias too.
But you keep on saying thank you and making them think we're not from around this part.
I can say hola. I can say gracias. I can say eat you with a spoon. I can do it all.